Sign out is not available due to restrictions on iPhone solved. Today I'll show you how to fix the sign out is not available due to restrictions error on iPhone so you can log out of your Apple ID. This is a common issue that but don't worry, I've got the solution for you, so let's get started. First things first, the most common reason for this error is screen time restrictions. To fix it, simply open settings on your phone and simply scroll down until you find an option that says screen time. Now scroll to the button and simply turn off screen time like this. Now from here you can simply turn off app and website activity, or you can simply turn off the screen time. Once you've done that, what you can do is restart your iPhone and signing out again. If you forgot your screen time password, you can reset it using your Apple ID. Now, if your phone is part of family sharing, you may not be able to sign out. To leave family sharing, what you need to do is open settings, tap on your name at the top, and from there simply go to family and simply tap on leave family and restart your iPhone and try signing out. If the issue persists, first restarting your iPhone can help. To do that, what you need to do is press and quickly release the volume up button and also the power button. Once you've done that, Apple logo will appear indicating that your phone has been shut down. And simply open it again and see if the problem resolves. If nothing else work, reset all settings. This won't delete your data but will reset set system settings. To do that, open settings and simply tap on general. From there, scroll down and simply tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Simply tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the sign out is not available due to restrictions error on iPhone.